If you haven't made money online this year, it's not the economy's fault. It's all on you. You know, we live in a time where a 14-year-old on TikTok makes more money in a month than most managers do in a full year. But the question is, can anyone really learn that? Yes, you can. You know, we live in a skill economy. That means you don't need a boss, you don't need a building, you just need skills. And then you can build your own business right from home. In Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu we say a black belt is a white belt who never quit. The same counts in business. Most people never start because they don't know how. And that's exactly where we come in. Imagine there would be a platform that explains to you step by step how to build a business online, shown by people who actually do it. But should you do it? 100%. One thing is crystal clear. One income is too close to no income, and making money has never been easier than now. And of course, I don't mean like that. Instead, let me show you 2 skills our people are crushing it with. The first skill is called UGC, User Generated Content. That means companies actually pay you to advertise for their products. Oh, thank you. Like this one. It's pretty amazing, guys, right? But the coolest thing is, you do not even need a single follower on social media to do that. No influencer hype, no fake stuff, just real content. You get the products, the scripts, and film everything with your phone. We teach you everything, how to find clients, shoot videos, edit them, and deliver amazing results. For example, Anya, 22 jobs in just 4 weeks, $2,000 of income, a mother of 3 little kids, and my little sister. Skill number 2, trading. The ability to understand money, not just guess it. The problem on the market is most people lose because they act emotionally. But with us, you will learn how to think and act like a professional. And let's be honest, most people always think it's super complicated to learn that. Is that really true? No, it's not. Have you ever seen a cooking show? That is exactly how our trading education works. The chef prepares the food and you just follow along. As well as our traders do. They go live in the market, they do their thing, and you just do as they do, and you will have possibly the same results. And if you think that is too complicated, we also have microwave food. To make it as easy as possible, we actually have an app. The trader prepares all the values already for you. The only thing you have to do is the press of one button, you're in the market, and happy profits. Besides UGC and trading, you also learn about crypto, real estate, social media, mindset, stock market, and AI. With more than 20,000 users worldwide, our platform is one of the most successful in the world. But the best thing is, we do not sell dreams, but we teach you how to finance them. So if you want to know more, please reach out to the person who has sent you this video, and maybe pretty soon we're going to see you at the most beautiful beaches in the world.